Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet another unboxing video. So this box you're seeing right here is I ordered from China, and the other one I ordered from USA. So I will unbox them and let you see what's inside. So this first one is from a supplier that I shared the contact, and the link will be in the description if you want to also order from this same supplier. So in this box I have 100 pieces of phone covers, and they are mixed phone covers for iPhones. So because sometimes I just want to stock some particular stock so that I don't have to worry about ordering them again. So this is why I ordered iPhones first, and then later on I will order these other brands. But yeah, so these are 100 pieces of phone covers, and they are ranging from models like iPhone 7 to iPhone 17. So I've ordered almost every series of the iPhone, and as you can see, these are the cases, different styles, different design, all the phone cases. And yeah, so I will not talk much about how much I ordered them for or what, because already I shared the contact, and the link is in the description if you also want to order such an item. So now this is interesting for this package. You see that it has got blockchain seals. So this is because when you're ordering from USA or UK, especially when it's coming like from eBay or other in Europe, the ZRI usually will look into your package, and I paid 101,462 kwacha for this laptop. So this is an HP laptop. I will not talk much about the specification because it's another story. But yeah, so this is the laptop that I ordered, and it's for my client. Usually the supplier I order from eBay for most of my laptops, and I think that sometimes you have to weigh between China and eBay or USA, because sometimes it depends on your liking. But there is nothing wrong if you're ordering from China or you're ordering from USA, UK, or maybe Dubai. All these places have got amazing products. So but it's up to you to choose which one you want, and based on your budget. So this was the laptop that I ordered, and I tried to switch it on. It wasn't turning on. So first I had to charge it a little bit. So as you can see right now, the keyboard is already lighting up and the screen is on. So because this laptop had delayed, and it has spent a lot of time, and when it was delivered, the battery was completely dead. So I had to charge it a bit and then light it up. So as you can see, it's lighting up, and hopefully it's working and everything. So yeah, if you need anything, if you need to order a phone, a laptop, or any household or any thing, you can just inbox me on the number on your screen. Yeah, so I will help you source for the product, and then we can get to talk business. So I'll just set it up because it's not mine. I just want to check if everything is okay and everything is as described in the post. Yeah, otherwise, thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow for more. See you in my next video. Bye bye.